Guys! It's been a long time. Hindi ako nag-vlog last week kasi wala lang, hindi ko lang talaga feel. Tapos walang ganap din naman. And it's now Monday ng hapon. Birthday ngayon ng kapatid ko, si Miss. Happy birthday, Miss. Hindi ko pa siya nag-greet. Actually, greet ko siya sa Viber. Hindi siya nag-reply, so hindi ko alam kung na-receive niya. Bumalik ulit sila sa city ng maaga, sobrang aga kasi nga it's Monday. And nagising ako kasi lagi naman ako nagigising every time na umaalis sila. Nakalimutan ko siyang i-greet. Pero iti-text ko siya mamaya. Hindi na kasi ako mahilig mag-post sa Facebook na happy birthday, ganun-ganon. Yeah, I can do that on my public page. Pero on my personal page, wala na talagang ganap yung personal page ko, you guys. I have a little bit of makeup on kasi I filmed a video, parang me reacting to my old Facebook pictures. And tatapos ko lang gawin yun. Now, I'm gonna have my snacks. We have here, buko juice. Tapos lalagyan ko siya ng pita para masarap siya, diba? Yummer! Sobrang sarap nito eh. Okay. Yan! Yummers! Kain tayo. Snack. Malapit na mag-6. Manonood sana ako ng ng Amazing Race, yung bagong episode, yung bagong season 28. Yung nandun sila Blair, sila Tyler Oakley. Yeah, so yung mga naglalaro ng Amazing Race sa season na ngayon is yung mga may influence sa social media, may Viner doon, mga ganun. And ewan ko kung ano nangyari kasi supposedly on Saturday, yun yung bagong episode. Pero wala, binalik nila sa season 1. Tapos chinek ko yung schedule ng AX and Asia. Ngayon is balik din sa season 1. So, hindi ko alam kung bakit nire-replay nila. But we'll see what's on TV today. Oops. Uy. Hey! Ano ba yan? Okay. Chill. Magluluto ako ng eggs for dinner kasi wala kaming ulam. And, yeah, eggs lang yung kaya kong lutuin. Wait. May tubig kasi yung sando ko, kaya maingay siya. Pero sunny side up na egg lang yung gamitan ko. So, yung trick ko, may trick talaga ako. Paiinitan ko ng bongga yung yung mantika. Para yung ilalim ng egg, parang, hindi naman sunog, pero parang medyo brown yung ilalim ng egg. Ipapakita ko sa inyo maya. So, napansin nyo ba guys? Maikli na yung buhok ko. Nagpakataw kay Miss nung Sunday. Okay, lutuin ko muna ha. Pakita ko sa inyo. So, kakalagay ko lang ng egg. Tapos nagpa-brown na yung bottom niya. That's because sobrang init ng mantika. And that way din, hindi masyadong naluluto yung yolk. Ayoko kasi yung lutong-luto yung yolk. So, yan, okay na yan. Oh, diba? Look at that. Ito yung pinaka-perfect, oh. Ito, medyo naluto yung yolk niya. Kasi iniwan ko sandali. Kinuha ko yung power bank ko. Ay, nako, sa taas. Pero okay lang yan. I'm gonna take this. Tatlo yun lang yung niluto ko. Kasi si mama, tapos na daw siya kumain. Busog siya. Tapos si Mark wala dito. Parang nag-food trip ata. Parang nag-food trip ata kasama yung mga kaibigan niya. So, I'm gonna have one egg and a little bit of rice. And that's gonna be my dinner. Oh, meron pa kaming maraming coconut water. Look at that. Parang araw-araw na bumibili si mama ng coconut water. Tapos merong talong. We just had talong on Friday. Morning, guys! It is Tuesday. And yeah, nakaupo ako dito kasi I'm gonna take pictures of these. I did a video on this. Ito yung Feel Beautiful na UV Light Nail Dryer. And yeah, natapos ko na yun i-film. Natapos ko na din i-edit. And yeah, I'm just gonna take a picture para ma-post ko sa aking social media. And I don't know how to take picture of this. Anyway, katatapos ko lang mag-coffee. It's right here. Tapos yung ko is yung yung Skyflakes lang. And I also got this. This is from Brian_stuff on Instagram, by the way. So, itong nail dryer at saka itong 3D Bomb Curl na brush is from her. I will leave her links below if you guys are interested to check it out. Meron siyang mga asin ng TV products. And yeah, she gave me more than that, but I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna film a haul featuring these. So, I'm just not gonna show you guys now. And yeah, I'm just gonna take pictures. You guys, I already took pictures of all the stuff that I'm gonna, not all, the stuff that I'm gonna sell, yung mga makeup na ibebenta ko. Ang dami kong makeup na hindi ginagamit, and sayang naman, diba, nandito lang sila sa, collection ko, and I'm not really a big Well, I was gonna say I'm not really a hoarder, but I actually am a little bit of a hoarder when it comes to lipstick. Pero marami akong na post doon na lipstick. Actually, majority sa mga ibenta ko lipsticks. Okay, I will take pictures muna. And then later on, I'm gonna take a shower kasi I will film a video. If I-film ko tong Airy Lift Cushion Foundation review. So, yeah. I will do that today. And then I will need to film a lipstick review as well para hitting two birds with one stone, diba? Ano ba yung lipstick na hindi ko pa na-review? Yung Etude House hanggang ngayon hindi ko pa siya na-review. Yung ano din, yung Avon na binigay sa akin ni Kim from Kim's Collections, hindi ko pa rin to na-review. I will review those. I was gonna do the 500 peso makeup challenge kasi ang daming nag-request noon. And I was working on it as in nag-accumulate ako ng products na magka-come up ng 500 na total. And I was ready. Now, nilagay ko dito yung mga makeup na gagamitin ko sa 500 makeup challenge. Nandito na sila. But you guys, something is missing. Yung isang eyeliner ko. Aray. Yung eyeliner na gagamitin ko, it's missing. And I'm pretty sure my sister took it. Yeah. And babalik siya sa Saturday pa. So, sana dalhin niya ulit. I'm gonna need to text her na dalhin niya ulit. Hindi ko siya tinext kahapon kasi kahapon is her birthday. I don't wanna be like, hey, dinala mo ba yung ko on her birthday, right? So, I'm gonna text her. I mean, I'm pretty sure it's with her. And okay na okay lang sa akin kahit dalhin niya yun. Yeah, and she took one of my lipsticks as well kasi sabi niya, can I bring this as picture? Hi guys! I'm currently filming right now. Hindi natapos yung browse ko kasi namatay yung camera ko. Hindi namatay yung camera ko. Na-full yung memory card ko. So, I'm just transferring the files right now. And I am reviewing, or I'm gonna review 3 products today. Eyebrow product, cushion foundation. Nandito na yung cushion foundation sa mukha ko. Tapos, I'm gonna review a lipstick as well. So, 3 videos today. And maybe, if I feel like it, I'm gonna film one more later after ko na matapos talaga yung face ko. Ang bagal ng transfer ha. Kanina pa ako nakaupo dito and I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna vlog. And yeah, so, you guys, first time ko din ginamit ever yung Anastasia, why do I always have a hard time pronouncing that? That's just crazy. Anastasia, right? Paddle brush, I really like it. I really like it. Parang weird lang siya kasi, first time ko gumamit ng ganitong klaseng brush. But it actually feels really nice. It blends the foundation amazingly. I really like. This is from Pretty Angel Shop. Links will be below. I think it's 250. I'm not sure though, but yeah, I will leave the link below. Yay, malapit na. Okay, I'm gonna go back to filming. Nangawit yung paa ko sa kakaupo. 3 intros, 3 application clips yung film ko kanina. So yeah, sakit ng paa ko. Look at my mask. Can you see my mask? Brother, yeah. Yeah, ano ba ulit sasabihin ko sa inyo? Kailangan ko mag-vlog kasi i-charge ko na siya. Yun yung gagawin ko. Ang sakit na pa ako. Wait. Ano bang gagawin ko? Wala na ako ibang gagawin eh. Parang mag-i-edit lang ako. I think I'll start editing the videos na film ko kanina. Obviously, hindi ko siya matatapos kasi hindi pa siya tapos. It's a review. So, kailangan pa akong mag-check back later and later. So, yeah. Bakit ako napagod? Nakaupo lang naman ako kanina. Parang hinihingal ako Anyway, charge ko na kayo. Charge ko na kayo. Yan, naka-charge na kayo eh. Maraming salamat nga pala ha sa mga nagsabi na, I miss your vlog. Kasi for the past few days, sinabi ko talaga ang boring ng buhay ko. As in, sobrang boring, walang ganap. So I did a vlog last week, but a lot of you guys said na we miss your vlog. So yeah, I'm vlogging back. Okay, transfer ko itong mga files sa aking power bank. Why do I keep saying my hard drive is a power bank? I don't know. But I'm gonna do that and start editing videos. Hi guys! Nakalimutan ko na naman, nag-vlog pala ako. I'm cooking bacon right now for dinner. Ito na yung mga tapos na. And then, I still have a lot on there. And then, dito yung iba. So, malapit na ako matapos. I'm not really that hungry yet, pero wala kaming ulam eh. So, I decided to cook. Okay pa ngayon, diba? Mag-pork ngayon, diba? Yeah, I think so. Wait, kunin ko na itong isa. Luto na itong isa. Dinner time, I have bacon, of course, and then rice. And then for my drinks, I'm not sure. Magtutubig na lang ako. Tubig, and then I have a banana right here. So, I'm not gonna have banana I'm just gonna have this. And sa taas ako kakain. Guys, katatapos ko lang i-close yung lahat ng reviews ko. 3 reviews yung ginawa ko. Same top, hindi na ako nagpalit-palit kasi like the last time na nagpapalit-palit ako tapos nakalimutan ko naman kung anong top sa kung anong review. So, yeah, tatlong videos, same top. So, huwag na kayong magtaka kasi I filmed it on the same day. Yeah, maglilipat lang ako. And then I'm gonna wash my face. And then I'm gonna get ready for bed. Wala na akong masyadong ganap sa buhay. Like, after ko mag-film, if like, nag-film ako that day. Yun na, basically. Kasi wala na akong teleserye na pinapanood. After nung pangako sa'yo, wala na akong gusto. So, hindi kasi ako nanonood ng ngayon, teleserye ngayon, Dulce Amor, hindi ko alam, pero yeah, hindi ako mahilig manood dun eh. And, you guys, nakatanggap pala ako ng package from Kim, of Kim's Collections 2015 today. Look at these, you guys, binigyan niya ako, ay, no, I'm not gonna show you that. Not now, kasi I'm gonna feature that on my haul. And nakita nyo ba? Yeah, she sent me more jewelries and it's gonna be exciting. My next haul video, I will have a surprise for you guys. So make sure na aabangan nyo at papanoorin nyo yung next haul ko. So I will go ahead and wash my face na. Gagamitin ko pala tong natural oil to foam na cleanser. This is from iWhite. Binigay nila ito sa akin as a birthday gift last year eh. So gagamitan ko siya. And pretty sure nagamit ko na siya noon. Pero akala ko it's a makeup remover. Tapos, yeah, parang few days later, nag-message siya sa akin. Sabi niya, it's a cleanser. It's not a makeup remover. So, I'm gonna use this to clean my face. It is like the oil to foam. So, that's interesting. We'll see how that will go. Morning guys! It's Wednesday and sabi ng kapatid ko uuwi daw sila papa ngayon. So kailangan ko maglinis ng bahay kasi magagalit si papa pag madumi yung bahay. Usually naglilinis ako Saturday kasi yun yung uwi nila Saturday ng gabi. But since holiday na bukas, right? Holiday bukas, right? Thursday. So yeah. Maglilinis ako ngayon and then I'm gonna film as much videos as I can. So, I'm planning to film a haul. I mean, actually, I will film a haul. Kailangan ko talagang i-film yun. Tapos, ano pa ba? Hindi ko alam kung ano pa i-film ko. Basta, or siguro, one brand review. Salamat nga pala sa mga positive response sa one brand review ko, yung Maybelline. I will leave the link of that video below if you guys haven't watched that. And yeah. I think I'm gonna do one more siguro L'Oreal. Tingnan ko kung ano yung madaming brands meron ako dito. I mean, maraming products sa brand na yun. Oh, by the way guys, I haven't heard from the giveaway winner. Nag-pick na ako ng pangalawa kasi I haven't heard from the first one and lampas 48 hours na. So I posted another one. I picked another winner. Mamaya kailangan ko na mag-pick na naman ng bago kasi it's been over 48 hours na ata, or siguro in a few hours it will be 48 hours. So please check my Facebook. Sinabi ko naman sa video ko, diba, na ipopost ko siya sa Facebook. I was gonna message you guys on YouTube. For some reason I cannot message a lot of people on YouTube, like private message, so I can't do that. Yung option lang talaga is for you to check my Facebook para malaman nyo kung kayo ba nanalo or what. You know what, maglilinis na ako kasi para matapos na ako, para makapag-film na ako ng video. Oh, happy birthday nga pala kay Flor Ginto Aquino. Happy birthday niya today. Happy birthday! Hi guys! Am I blurry? Wait. Huwag ko na lang galawin. Yeah, katapos ko lang maligo. Naglinis ako ng bahay. Woo! And naligo na ako kasi I will review a lipstick. You guys, I'm gonna show you. Kakarating lang niya nung naglilinis ako, tinawag ako ni mama na may package ako and it is from Lazada. Ito yung if you follow me on Instagram, na-post ko na ito sa Instagram at saka sa Facebook ko. Yung lipstick, i-open ko na sana siya kanina. Sabi ko, no, maglinis ka muna para ma-review mo siya agad-agad. Kaya nagmandali ako, naglinis, tapos naligo, and then now I'm gonna fill in my brows. I look really blurry. Feeling ko blurry yung camera ko. Wait. I'm not sure if that changed anything, but I will just go ahead and fill in my brows. I'm gonna use this Detail Make Brow from Cosmetics Unlimited. Actually, ito yung na-review ko kahapon. And yeah, you know what? I'm just gonna finish up my face and then I'll talk to you guys later kasi mas matatagalan ako kung magva-vlog pa ako. I just finished filming a haul and then my intro and application clip of this lipstick. Yeah, nasabi ko ba sa inyo kanina yung Colourette lipstick? Feeling ko parang nag-grabble lang ako kanina pero hindi ko nasabi yung Colourette lipstick. Pero yeah, yun yung na-receive ko today from Lazada. And yeah, so mag-edit lang ako ng video kasi yung video na uploading right now is 261 minutes remaining. So yeah, para after nito may video na kasunod. And look at my mess. Look at my mess, look at my mess. After talaga ng mga haul, ang daming ililigpit. Anyway, ligpit muna ako tapos review. No, not review. Mag-edit ako ng video. Hindi ko kayo madala because you guys are charging. You see this? Yeah. Hi guys! It is oh my gosh, may naklik ako. Shoot, sorry. Shout out time! Kasi, todo edit na ako mamaya. Nga pala guys, na-post ko na yung mga makeup na ibibenta ko. I mean, hindi pa lahat. Yung sa eyes, yung pa lang yung na-post ko. Later, after ng shout out, tatapusin ko i-post lahat. So, gagawin ko siyang eyes, tapos face, tapos lips. Mga ganon. So, yeah. Yung eyes uploaded na. So, kung interested kayo bumili ng mga makeup from Moa, then, yung link ng Facebook page ko is below. Yung pinaka-una, I think. Yeah. So, nandun yung link. Bianca and Mark, hello. Asiaholic, she's from Cebu, hi. Pharmacist Fiona, she's from Iloilo, hi. Cristal Lopez, Roy Daganan, and to her boyfriend na si Patrick Hernandez. May Rayo from Nueva Ecija. Joy of Mia, hindi ko maintindihan yung aking penmanship, pero parang ganun yun. And yung mga classmates niya from Urdaneta City University. Hello sa inyong lahat. And hi to Maria Gia Kadyang Panaon. Belated happy birthday sa'yo. Hi to Danny Cruz. Hi to Blue Mauricio. Belated happy birthday din. Hi to Mary Ann from New York. Hi! Hi to Shana Marie Espino. Hi to Merma. Hi to Althea Crenshaw. Graduating student siya from STI College. Hi! Hi to Ivy Lorraine de Belen. Graduating student din. Good luck sa inyong lahat. I mean, congrats. And then, hi to Kendrick Jacob. Magfi-third birthday siya sa March 26. Happy birthday sa iyo. And hi to Bianca Belasano and to her boyfriend Mark Anthony Andres. Hi to Sandra. Hi to Julia Tubera. Hi girl. Hi to Hey Sheena Lay. And then, hi to Mommy Nins Aguilar and to baby Zaika Juliana. Hi! They're from Angeles City, Pampanga. Hi to Janeline Abad. Hi to Eileen Santa Ana. Hi to Irish. And sa baby niya na si Jasmine and Matt Daniel na birthday sa March 26. Advance happy birthday! And hi to Frances Joey and to her son na si Sean from South Cotabato. Hi! Hi to Melody Padilla. Belated happy birthday sa'yo and first anniversary nila ng husband niya na si Jake sa March 21. Noong March 21, so belated. And hi to my Antes from Tagum, Davao del Norte. Hi! Hi to Mary Kisan Galano. And meron siyang shop sa Instagram, Human Essentials. Hi! Hi to April Joyce Milares. Belated happy birthday. Hi to Marith Montero. Hi to Christine Valenzona. Belated happy birthday din. Hi to Erlene. Hi to Zena Arcabos. And belated happy birthday din. Ang daming nag-birthday sa March. Bongga. Hi to Hazel K. Mersin. And then hi to Dana Lynn Bernardo Rasip. And sa mga kapatid niya sa Taiwan na sina Donna Bernardo and Dranreb Bernardo. And sa BFF niya daw na si Gian Carla Saraza. Miss na miss niya na daw kayo ng bongga. And I want to address something. I received a message from Char. Naging seryoso ulit. Pero this is serious. I received a message from Ken or Kanoto na hindi ko alam kung nagkabalikan na kayo or hindi pa. I'm so sorry, hindi ako naka-vlog last week, pero gusto lang niyang ipaabot sa girlfriend niya na si Grace na he is very sorry daw and hindi ko alam kung anong nagawa niya. I suggest na pag-usapan niyo. I mean, depende na rin sa iyo yan, girl. Basta, again, hindi ko alam kung anong ginawa niya. Pero, bongga yung effort niya ha. Message niya ako. It was a really long message and gusto niyang ipaalam na sobrang sorry na daw siya. Hindi na daw niya uulitin yung ginawa niya. And that is so sweet of you, Kanoto. Sana nga akong bibigyan ka man ng chance ni Grace. Sana wag mo nang ulitin. Yeah, and sana ma-learn mo na yung lesson mo ng bonggang-bongga. Grace, I actually messaged you on Instagram and same with Ken. Pero hindi ako nakatanggap ng reply. Pero that's okay. I'm not sure kung anong status niyo ngayon, kung nagkabalikan na kayo or kung hindi pa, I am not sure. Pero yeah, pag-usapan niyo ng mabuti and sana love lang tayo in the end. So, yeah, that's basically it for this vlog. Thank you so much guys for watching. Do not forget, be good. I will see you on my next one. Bye!